Okay, so today we will learn how to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Completing the square can simply be applied on the general non-monic quadratic equation. So consider the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you need to divide both sides of the equation by a. You will get x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. So simply applying the technique to solve by completing the square will help us get the quadratic formula. Alright, so after you apply completing the square on the standard form, okay, so this formula is quadratic formula. We will use this formula to find x. Steps in solving by quadratic formula. First step, rewrite in standard form. Second, identify quadratic coefficient a, linear coefficient b, and constant c. Okay, and then last step, substitute the value of the coefficient and the constant into the quadratic formula. So you must remember this quadratic formula to solve x. And last step, simplify the solution. Example 5, solve the equation x squared plus 4x equals to 3 using the quadratic formula. Given that x squared plus 4x equals to 3, so first step, you need to rewrite this equation in standard form. X squared plus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So this equation in standard form. Okay, next step, identify each coefficient. A equal to 1. Coefficient of x squared here is equal to 1. And then coefficient of x here equal to 4. So b equal to 4. And then constant c equals to negative 3. So you just substitute a, b, c into quadratic formula. So given that quadratic formula equal to x equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So you just substitute x equal to negative b, so negative 4 plus minus square root b squared 4 squared minus 4ac. 4 times 1 times negative 3 divide by 2a, 2 times 1. X equal to negative 4 plus minus 28 divided by 2, or x equal to negative 2 minus 7, or x equal to negative 2 plus 7. Exercise 4a, given that equation 6x squared minus x equals to 2. So first step, you need to change this equation to standard form. 6x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Quadratic formula, a equal to 6, b equal to negative 1 here, and c equal to constant negative 2. Alright, and then you just substitute the value of a, b, c into quadratic formula. So x equal to negative b, negative multiply negative 1 plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac, negative 1 squared minus 4 times 6 times negative 2 divided by 2a. 2 times 6 equal to 1 plus minus 49 over 12. Therefore, x equal to 1 plus 49 over 12 equal to 2 over 3, or x equal to 1 minus 49 divided by 12. So x equal to negative 1 over 2. Question B, given that 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So already in standard form, a equal to 2, b equal to negative 3, and c equal to negative 4. Substitute into quadratic formula. So x equal to negative b, negative times negative 3 plus minus square root negative 3 squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, 2 times 2 equal to 3 plus minus 41 divided by 4. x equal to 3 plus 41 divided by 4 equal to 3 over 4 plus 41 over 4, or x equal to 3 minus 41 over 4 equal to 3 over 4 minus 41 over 4. Question C, given that equation 5 over w squared minus 10 over w plus 2 equal to 0. So you need to change it to standard form and make it linear equation. So to make it standard form or linear equation, multiply both sides by w squared. 5 over w squared multiply w squared minus 10 over w multiply w squared plus 2 multiply w squared equal to 0 multiply w squared equal to 0. And then simplify your equation. So 5 over w squared multiply w squared, you will get 5 minus 10w plus 2w squared equal to 0. So rearrange this equation into standard form. 2w squared followed by minus 10w plus 5 equal to 0. Next step, find a, b, c. So your a will be 2, b equal to negative 10, and c equal to 5. And substitute all the values into quadratic formula. Therefore, x equal to negative b, negative in bracket negative 10 plus minus b squared negative 10 squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, 2 times 2. Simplify your answer. 10 plus minus 60 divided by 4. X equal to 10 plus 60 divided by 4 equal to 5 over 2 plus 15 over 2, or x equal to 10 minus 60 divided by 4 equal to 10. 5 over 2 minus 15 over 2. Question D, given that equation 5x divided by x squared plus 9 equals to negative 1. So first step, you need to change it to standard form or linear equation by multiply both sides by x squared plus 9. So multiply both sides by x squared plus 9 to make it linear. 5x over x squared plus 9 multiply x squared plus 9 equal to negative 1 multiply x squared plus 9. And then simplify. This one cancel and simplify, you get 5x equal to negative x squared minus 9. And then rearrange to make it standard form. You will get x squared plus 5x plus 9 equal to 0. And then find a, b, c. Your a will be 1, b equal to 5, and c constant equal to 9. Using quadratic formula, substitute into quadratic formula. X equal to negative b, negative 5 plus minus b squared minus 4ac. 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. Simplify your answer to find x. X equal to negative 5 plus minus negative 11 divided by 2. Therefore, x equal to negative 5 plus negative 11 divided by 2 equal to negative 5 over 2 plus 11I over 2. This one is complex number. Or x equal to negative 5 minus negative 11 divided by 2 equal to negative 5 over 2 minus 11 to I.